The future trend for the hospitality sector in the UK, I think, is moving more and more towards tech-based solutions.
For the hospitality sector, I see a lot of automation. I see a lot of touchless, contactless technology.
I mean, already I know Bella Italia are using the robots. I've seen Cosmo posting about it as trials. Obviously it's making a lot of noise because it's brand new. It seems futuristic. It's new and it's gimmicky, but it also saves some cash.
Having something completely different on your high street and making you stand out from one restaurant to the other is obviously a big thing you need to be looking at these days.
I believe that a smarter POS system will absolutely solve some of the major challenges in the industry. This is it, Spark will do it, and if you've got a coffee shop down the road and you've never had a business before in your life and you really don't know what you need or what you're looking for, then Spark's the answer, because it's just, you can start small, grow without the excessive costs that you'll find with many other providers.